I am so happy to be right here, right now, and present to you the almond butter and rose petals bread. Beautiful Gabrielians, I have many news to share with you today, and the first one is that I'm making a collab with friends, and we are all cooking gluten-free and dairy-free. So today the collabs are with Isabel Branco with a pineapple delight, Mari and Giba with a savory snack with beef, Culinaria Entretenimento with a cake with nuts, Andreza Receitas with a broken bowl that is vegan, Rotina Lecristina with a lime mousse, Delicious the Mary Pratch, it's an orange cake, and we have bolos de recordeiro with an amazing vegan cream cheese. Please do watch, the links are below. Don't forget to subscribe to them as well and to activate the bells because you're going to learn so much. On Instagram, I follow Autoimmune Warrior, and she presented a bread with 4 ingredients only, and if you wanted to mix mixed herbs for an extra oomph, I decided to add oregano and rose petals. I decided to use my bread machine as I was going to have a very busy day. You just mix all the ingredients together, the eggs with the almond butter, and you have to put the cider vinegar and the bicarbonate sodium, everything mixed, and then you just add everything into the baking pan for your bread machine, and everything is done in 3 hours. And the result? Let's check. Now I set the program for 1, the loaf dark, and is 1/2 pound size. This point I'm jumping because the bread looks so beautiful. Now I cannot wait to taste it. This is such a light loaf. It is unbelievable. I am so surprised the way it is. You know, it's very elastic. You can see it. Let me put here. And it's unbelievable. So beautiful Gabrielians, I told you that I had news. The first one is about the collab with amazing friends. Yay! And then I had to share with you that today I had the vaccine. And the third thing is that it made me really my day, that I got monetized today, and I am so happy. Yay! Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for being there. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share with your friends. They might want to subscribe as well. Serve your bread with love, and bon appetit.